Hey kids, welcome to Ideal Moral Magic. This is the story about a boy named Kabir who dreamed of having a little more independence, just like his friends. But how do we earn freedom? What does it really mean to be responsible? Let's find out how Kabir faced a challenge and learned something important along the way. So let's get started. Kabir wanted just one thing more than anything else, to go to the park alone like his friends. One evening, he told his mother, "It's not fair, Mom. Everything else in my class gets to go by themselves. Why can't I?" His mother looked up from her work. "Freedom comes with responsibility, Kabir. Show me that you can handle responsibility and we will talk about more freedom." That night, Kabir decided that he will show that he is a responsible person. The next morning, he woke up early, made his bed, and packed his school bag without being told. At school, Mrs. Shanti announced a special project. You all have to choose your own science fair topic, but it must be finished in 2 weeks. Perfect timing, Kabir thought and said to himself. Now I will show everyone how responsible I can be. He decided to study how plants grow in different soils. But 3 days into the project, Kabir faced his first challenge. He had forgotten to water the plants twice, and one was already dropping. But he corrected himself and started watering regularly. Meanwhile, his classmate Rahul hadn't even started his solar oven project because he kept forgetting his materials. Sarah had given up on her butterfly garden when her first plant died. When one of Kabir's plants began to wilt badly, he almost quit too. Then he remembered his mother's words about responsibility. Instead of giving up, he researched what was wrong and discovered he had been giving the plants too much water. He fixed his mistake and carefully recorded everything in his notebook, the good and the bad results. When his mother asked about his project, Kabir showed her his detailed records and the plants that he had saved. And he admitted, "I wasn't sure about being able to do my project alone. It was harder than following exact instructions. But I understand my project better because I made the choices myself." His mother smiled. "You have shown you can handle responsibility, Kabir. How about going to the park for 1 hour after homework is done?" As Kabir wrote the new park plan in his calendar, he realized earning freedom through responsibilities felt much better than just being handed down. Dear kids, as we saw, Kabir worked hard, made mistakes, but he didn't give up. And at the end, he earned what he really wanted. And that is the magic of a responsibility. Remember kids, small steps in the right direction can lead to a big rewards.